Guys, welcome. I'm Parshvika. Welcome to the channel where we talk a lot about financing, cryptos, NFT. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to make more money by working less. Now, this is entirely based on my experience, and you can take it as a part of the finance planning or planning your finances or business planning, whatever way you can take it. Let's dive in. Give this video a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more such videos. And make sure to visit our website globodivine.com for blog articles for more information. We also have the finance planner workbook that we're going to help you plan your finances. It contains everything that you're gonna need for plan your finances. It's a PDF download. The link is in description box below. You can download it. Working less and making more money. Like back in the 2022, I was adding a lot of the products in my store. I was launching new stuffs, new shops, new stores, new DIYs, new channels. So I was actually expanding a lot in the 2022 because I was in the phase to expand, and I want to try all the different avenues in which you can make money to see whether it fits in my box or not. And so literally I did that. I started with on the vector shop, started selling the stock photos. I was doing everything possibly, the different ways to make money, and I was kind of like expanding a lot. You can take it as a hustling because I was incorporating a lot of the different income streams and all that stuff. So that was in the 2022. In the 2023, I was kind of like a laid back, and I'm focusing more on the things that are working well for my business, and the things that are not working that well, I'm gonna give them some time to see whether they work well or not. But I'm actually approaching a different strategy in the 2023 to work less and make more money, because when you are starting a business, you want to try every different income stream. Like if you're selling a physical product, you want to try the paid ads, the free marketings, or you want to try the offline or online. Like you want to try the different ways to see which one fits and which one helps you to make more money and which helps you to grow your business. Once you do all that stuff, then you can come to a conclusion, maybe in a 6 months or in a year or more than that, come to a conclusion that this is working well for my business, but this is not working that well, and if I can actually remove this one or twist or turn it, or it's work or not. So my strategy has always been to double down on the stuffs that already been working well for you. But since I was completely new, like I started my business back in the March of 2020, so it's been almost 3 years, like more than 3 years. But in the 2020, I started with the magazine, and the later different income stream I started in the 2021, some started in the 2022. So I was still trying a lot of the different stuff because I love trying new stuffs. I love experimenting, exploring. Of trying new stuff has always been in my shoes, and I always love them. So that's why I was trying different stuffs, and I was giving them at least 6 months a year to see whether I'm getting at least some sort of attraction, at least some sort of a something or the other, like a review or a follow or one sale or something like that. Okay, little bit traction, so that I would know that okay, here if I'm actually adding a more different stuff, or I'm actually adding a different variety, or I'm bundling up in my store, I could expect to make more money. So in 2023, I come to a conclusion like, okay, now I know what's working for me, what's actually making me money, and what's not working for me. And I'll share some tips how I'm actually approaching it and how you could approach it as well for your business if you're looking for. Tip I have for you, the 80-20 rule. Now you might have heard it or may not be, but you're gonna get 80% of your results from the 20% of the work that you have already did, or you're gonna do it in the future, whatever it is. So that means the 80% of the juicy part of your sales or juicy part of your business will going to get from only the 20% of the work you did. And I know that people would be asked thinking that how would I know that this thing would work or not? That's why we try the different stuff. That's why in the expanding phase of our business, we try all the different stuffs that we could try to see whether it fits in our box or not, because we can learn a lot from the other people. We can join the courses and we can take the lessons or hire a coach. We can do all that stuff to get the theoretical knowledge. But until and unless you practically do on your business, you apply on your business, you won't be able to know whether that thing will going to work for you or not. Like you literally need to give it a shot to see whether it worked for you or not, because some things working for someone may not be working for you, and the things that are not working for them may be working for you. Okay, so that's why in the expanding phase you try every different stuff, and now you come to conclusion, okay, this is working, this is not working, this is working, this is not working. So apply the 80-20 rule, look at the things that are already working and focus on that. The second tip I have for you, look at the numbers. Now, I know that may seem quite obvious, but many people are kind of like feeling weird when they are looking at the numbers. They are not okay with the numbers because they think that, oh, my numbers are quite down, I'm not making that much amount of money. When you're looking at the number, you don't need to feel embarrassing about your business, or you don't need to feel shame about you. You're just looking at the numbers from an outsider perspective, from a neutral perspective, to see what's happening in your business. You can take it as a 6 months, a year, or more than that, and see what's been going up and down, how it's working. When I get emotionally attached to the numbers, it feels embarrassing, it feels shameful, and you don't need to feel that. You don't need to be in that shoes. You need not to be attached emotionally to your business. Okay, you are playing the game, and when you play a game, whether you're playing a sport or a cards game or anything, you are playing for the fun perspective. You are not playing for winning perspective, right? And eventually, when you are having a fun, when you're enjoying the game, it doesn't really matter at the end of the day whether you win the game or not. The same thing is over here. You're doing it for the fun. Now you would be thinking, I'm doing it for money, and I totally get it. But when you're solely focusing on something, when you're desperate about something, that thing will going to run away from you. So if you really need to make money, you have to enjoy the process. You have to have fun. Third tip is double down on the things that are already working for you. This is so important. Just look at the numbers. After looking at the numbers, you're gonna clearly know what's working, what's not working, and do that more which is already working. The fourth tip is decluttering. Decluttering or cleaning or deleting you're doing in the business. It's not working, clean it up. It's working, I'm gonna double down. Just declutter the stuff like you do when you're cleaning your home, your wardrobe, your desk, or whatever you're cleaning. You just declutter them. The same thing you need to do where you're declutter the things that are not working. That's what I'm doing. I'm actually I started with a lot of the membership in the 2022 because just for the fun. I was quite into the membership at that time, and I want to start with the 4 different kind of membership, 5 different kind of membership, and literally not all the membership worked because it was not at all sustainable, and I'm not able to make 4 different kinds of the products in a month just for these membership. Okay, it was a lot of the work and it was not sustainable, so I actually shut down the 1 membership last month. This month I shut down another one, so right now I only have a 2 one. I think that I can do that. So that's what you have to do, just clean up the mess. Another last tip I have for you is to make the templates of your worksheets, your income spreadsheets, your revenue, your profit. Make it the templates and keep them in a folder, either in a computer, on a laptop, or if you're doing it on a piece of paper, then keep it in a separate plastic folder so that whenever you want to see, you can literally see them. Keep a bonus tip. I'm not keeping as a last tip, I'm keeping as a bonus tip, is to actually enjoy the process, is to enjoy while running your business. We business owners solely focusing on growing our businesses, we forget to enjoy the journey, we forget to enjoy the business, we forget to enjoy why we started in the first place with our business. So keep an open minded and try to enjoy the process rather than hustling, working 9 million hours to make $9 million. It's working in, double down on that and declutter, remove the unnecessary stuff. Hopefully these things will going to help you work less, earn more. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. In the next video, till then, take care. Bye guys.